Thanks for coming in for a video tour of 1678 Federal Avenue, unit number 2. We're located one long block south of Santa Monica Blvd, near the Little Tokyo Sawtelle area of West LA, just west of the 405. So this is an open floor plan, 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a completely remodeled kitchen, top to bottom. And it does have a nice view, of course, off the sink, the kitchen sink, but it has everything you'd expect. The dishwasher, has the gas stove, the microwave, the fridge, and those cabinets are all custom-made cabinets with real wood. And it's just been remodeled. The flooring is completely new as well, and it's the latest in a tile that appears to be hardwood. This does have a sliding glass door that overlooks a small private patio, and the patio actually is quite long. It's a rectangle shaped, and it's just for this unit. Lots of closet space. It does have a storage closet at the end of this living room, and again, it is an open floor plan. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and that is a full 2-bath, so you'll enjoy that. There is laundry on the premises, and if you like what you see here, feel free to contact me via phone or text for an in-person tour. And of course, being Southern California, there is air conditioning in both bedrooms and the living room. Enjoy the tour.